Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Add-On in Blender, which will enhance your workflow and bring powerful new features to your favorite 3D software. So let's start the video. The first step is to find the Blender add-on that you want to install. You can find the add-on on various websites like Blender Market, Gumroad, and GitHub. There are both free and paid add-ons available, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you have found the add-on you want, download the add-on zip file on your computer. So this is our add-on, it's onion peel and it's on desktop. So to install add-on in Blender, open Blender and click on Edit. Now click on Preference. In the Preferences window, select the Add-ons tab on the left. So select this tab. Now click on the Install button in the top right corner of the window. So click on Install. Now locate the downloaded zip file on your computer and select it. It's on desktop. And this is our file, onionpeel.zip. Now click on Install Add-on. Once installed, you should see the add-on listed in the Add-on tab. You can see onion peel, but just installing the add-on doesn't make it active in Blender. We need to enable it. In the Add-on tab, use the search bar to find the add-on that you have installed. Check the box next to Add-on name to enable it. So click to check this box. So that's how you can install Blender add-on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more updates.